I'm back. Guys, I'm back. So I know it's been such a long time since I posted on here, and I've seen all your messages and all your comments, and I really appreciate that you're still supporting, and I am making a commitment to make sure that I post at least twice a week. I might post more, but I'll make sure that I post at least twice a week, and I'm going to be sharing a lot more about myself, a lot more about my journey and why I've been off here for a long time, but I'm back, and you know what, it's Halloween. It's Halloween. So I've just been at the gym, and someone was just saying to me, oh, you know, I'm 30 years old and I've never carved a pumpkin before, and I'd like to do something quick for Halloween. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna create a video, just a quick video, and show you how to do it. And it's something that you can do with the kids. I know it's half term here in the UK, so it's something fun that you can do with the kids as well, and something fun that you can do with, you know, even on your own. So it could be some form of therapy to actually be carving pumpkins. But anyway, here we are. So on my way back from the gym, I just passed through the shop, and I managed to pick up this pumpkin, and let's get carving. So the first thing we're going to do is mark the top. Mark the top with a pen. You know, the top, the bit where you're actually going to, you know, create the lid. So you just mark the top like this. And then we'll just cut the top bit off. But before we do that, we are going to do the details, you know, just the face and, you know, the nose, the mouth, and a few details, you know, the teeth. So yeah, I'm just gonna do the eyes. It doesn't have to look perfect as well, so actually the more rough it looks, the better, because it'll actually look a bit scary. So just like this, and then we'll need 2 sets of knives. So we'll need just one big knife to cut the top off, and then just a carving knife, a small knife, to just like cut out the details. There she is. Okay, so I've got the top off, and we've got all this. Right, we are not going to throw this away. There's just so much food waste around Halloween with these pumpkins, but I'm going to show you guys what we can do with all this after we've finished, especially, you know, the seeds and the rest of it. Okay, this is going to be interesting. I'm just going to scoop this out, but we're not going to throw away the seeds or any bit of this pumpkin. After we're done with it, we're actually going to create some yummy recipes, because there's just so much food waste around Halloween. You know, we buy these pumpkins so cheap, and we use them for Halloween, and then we just throw them away. So no more food waste. We're going to do so much with this. So I'm just scooping this out. Wow. Look at all these seeds. All these seeds that we keep throwing out that we could be using. Oh, I'm so excited to show you what we can do with this. Just scooped a bit more of just this bit, just to thin it out, so that it's easy to actually carve the face. So yeah. Got the first bit out. finished, just wipe the pen marks. I have to admit that the mouth actually didn't come out how I wanted it to. It's just, yeah. Well, it's a nice attempt. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe. I've got so much more exciting content to share with you guys. And if you're doing any pumpkin decorations this Halloween, be sure to let me know in the comment section. And also come and join me on Instagram, Missdivalicious.